2014 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter Platinum Edition. We did Flowmaster Outlaws earlier in the year in it, but it sounded beautiful, but the wife wasn't happy. He enjoyed it for a little while, and then he's like, I gotta get it quieter, keep her happy. Happy wife, happy life, you know how that goes. So we'll show you what we put on it. 2 factory converters there. We did order also high flow rears on it before, there and there. And then what we put on it was a MAGNAFLOW right here. I don't know why they put such a small sticker, but okay. 12599. It is a 5-inch by 11-inch oval by 3-inch inlet, 3-inch outlet, 24 inches long. Massive beast of a muffler, okay? And what it does, it's got a built-in X pipe in it. It quiets it down drastically. It gives it just a nice deep tone. And then we left the cutouts on it that we did before, the turn downs, as you guys can see right there. There's the MAGNAFLOW muffler. There'll be a link in the description for it if we can find it. So here it is. So it's true dual into that MAGNAFLOW. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Toyota Tundra with a 24-inch MAGNAFLOW. A lot quieter.
Yeah, it's a lot quieter.
He'll break in over time and it'll get louder once it gets packed in about 30 days. Again, with sound decibels, right at 92. Again, go and back it out. Get her happy for a while and then change it back up again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota Tundra with a 24-inch MAGNAFLOW with turn downs. True dual all the way back. Tundra Platinum.